All right, come on in. We have part two to one of my faves, Whitney Houston. If you have not seen that, go ahead and check that out. I'll leave that right up top. We'll go ahead and march it out. So we are hitting part two of the Whitney Houston tribute. It's gonna be a fun workout. Choose your level of hard, your level of intensity, push yourself. Give me a big march here. Let's go. As always, I want you to have fun, take breaks whenever you need it. But remember to push. All right, make a fist here. Let's punch it up. Let's go. Oh yeah. I was listening to this playlist and I was like, oh, we're about to have a good time. Push it out. All right, let's lift it up, push. All right, big march here, let's go. Let's push. Can you give me a bigger march here? Let's go. Now here, you can march or jog, however you like. All right, from here, we're gonna punch it up, and then we're gonna add a knee, okay? So right knee is gonna lift up as we punch. We go in 3, 2, 1, here we go, lift. All right, this is the tempo for option 1. Option 2, we're gonna increase it in 3, 2, 1, here we go, push. This is a quick workout, so keep pushing yourself. In 4, 3, 2, big march here. Can you make it bigger here? Let's go. Are you having as much fun as I am? I hope so. With that right hand, let's go ahead and punch it up to the ceiling. All right, go ahead and take that left leg out. Let's lift, let's go. Are you ready to pick up that tempo? In 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go, push. Four, 3, 2, march it out here. Let me hear you say. Good. Bring those feet out wide. We're gonna go into a squat tap in 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch me squat tap. Four more in 4, 3, 2, big march here. Let's go. Remember, you can march or jog here. Are you ready for the next song? You should be nice and warm here. If you need to grab some water, go ahead and do it and come right back on into the workout. Remember, this is a shorter workout So I really want you to push it here. All right, the next song that we're gonna go to, we're gonna take that right leg out. We're gonna push that left hand forward. We'll slow it off in 3, 2, 1. Here we go, slow. All right, we speed it up in 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go, push. Oh yeah. Are you having fun already? I hope so. Also feeling this workout. Let's go. Push. 4, 3, 2, 1. March it out. I know you're like, this is not the originator of this song, but Whitney Houston sung it as well. Let's go. All right, give me that big march here. We get ready to go to the other side in 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, slow. 4, 3, 2. Let's speed it up here. Push. Good. Let's push. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Step touch here. Oh yeah, clap it out if you like. All right, the next move that we're gonna go to, you're gonna have your feet shoulder width apart, hinging forward at your waist, bringing those palms in front. We're gonna step out, add those arms. I want your eyes looking at the floor. Good. So a little bit of concentration, coordination here. In a second, you're gonna give me 4 repeaters. In 4, 3, with your right arm, 2, 1. Here we go, 4, 4, 3, 2, other side, push, 4, 3, 2, other way, let's go. Other way, push. Oh yeah. Keep working. Push. 2 more, let's go. Last one. Give me a big march or jog. Here we go. Step touch here, let's go. Clap it out. In 4, 3, 2. Back to that basic march here. All right, next move. I want you to think about making a diamond. So fingers are tapping, elbows are out. We're gonna tap out with our right and with our left. Watch me. Here we go. Arms are coming up. Oh yeah. Let's work. Get those arms into this workout. 8, 7, 6, 6, 5. Oh yeah, let's go. 4, 3, 2. Big march or jog here. Woo! I want you to know that you can do it with your strength and your power. It all starts here. Keep marching. Let's go. Big march. I know your strength. I know you can do it. That's why you showed up. All right, from here, we're going to do some crunches. Hands are going to be coming into a flagpole, okay, or L shape. And we're going to bring those knees up, alternating. Watch me. Here we go. We crunch here. Good. I want you to hear these words. You're making it. I'm here to help you with your hope. Four more. 4, 3, 2, watch or jog. Let's go. Give me those jump ropes. Hold your head up high at home. Bigger, can you make it bigger here? Power through. You're strong, you're powerful. In 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we're going back into the flagpole. We crunch it out. Right leg. Here we go, push. Good, keep going. You didn't crumble at home. 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Big march or jog. Let's go. Add those arms. You like to jog. Push. You know the other option. You choose your heart. Keep marching. Let's go. Four more. Let's go. It's 4, 3, 2. All right, from here, I want you to take it up for 2. 1, 2. Take it back. Take it up. Let's go. If you want to jog, you jog. How far can you go across that room? Push. You're not built to break. You're strong. Let's go. I believe in you. You can do it. You can do hard things. Let's go. It's 4, 3, 2. All right. Let's go. March here. Hands on top of your shoulders. We reach it up. Let's go. Tap. Tap. You ready to speed it up? Here we go. Push. Keep that core nice and squeezed. Belly into your spine. So pants that are tight, just zipping. Go ahead and squeeze those abs. There you go. It's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. March here. Take a deep breath. And reaching those arms up. Go ahead and rotate those wrists down. This was a short workout. If you want to get a little bit more, you can go ahead and add on to it. You guys have done such an awesome job. Go ahead and roll those shoulders up and around. Take it forward. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you had a great workout. If you want to do a longer workout, go ahead and add it to one of the part 1. As always, if you are a part of my Fit Fam, thank you so much for joining me. And if you have not, please remember to subscribe to this channel and share it with one family member or friend. I will see you all next time. Bye.